Hello, good day, and for this session I will be showing and teaching you on how we can configure or set our user rules and permission here in Zoho Creator. So as you can see, this is my Zoho Creator instance. You can basically have the same page by logging in inside your Zoho Creator organization, and then from there, let's choose a solution that we will be targeting for that configuration. So for this instance, I will be using this one. Let's begin by clicking this, and then let's go to this edit this application button. So we will be redirected to this page, and then let's go to the settings. Then we have here the user permissions. So just a brief overview for this permission and rules. So rules is basically defines the hierarchical level of our organization, such as the positions that we have for our employees, like CEO, staff, or other employee positions, so that we can control the access based on the employee positions that we have in our organization. While the permission, it pertains to the access level for the forms or module that we have here in Zoho Creator. If we wanted to set only specific users or rules to be accessing these specific forms, then we can do that in this permission configuration. So okay, let's start by adding a rule. Then we have the options here to add by clicking the plus button or the add rule button. Then let's give it a name. Then where this role will be reporting to. So as you can see, we only have the CEO, so this will be the default option that we have. We can also add description and then share data with peers configuration. So basically, if we enable this, then every stuff that we have here in Zoho Creator, the records that they have, or the records that they have, they can actually edit or manage those records, even though they are not the owners, as they share the same rule, which is the staff. Also the visibility will be open for all the staff members. So for now, let's just enable this, then save. So that's how basically we can add rules here in Zoho Creator. Let's move forward on setting permissions. So for the permissions, as you can see, we have here the out of the box permissions, the read and write. We can basically utilize this one or update this based on our preferences, but for now, let's just add another permission so that we will be able to retain the defaults of this out of the box permission that we have. So let's add it by clicking this add permission button. Let's say this is for the staff. So this is where basically we can assign specific reports or forms for our users or roles specifically in Zoho Creator. Let's say, for example, for the staff permission and role, we will only configuring them to access the customer leave form, but they won't be able to delete one. So in that way, all the staff will have only this configuration upon saving it. So basically, what we will be doing when we add the staff user, we will be setting this permission to them, also the rules stuff, so that both permission and rules that they will be having is dedicated, or I mean pointed to the staff configuration that we have made just now. So let's save this. Then that's it. That's how easy and simple to configure our permissions and role here in Zoho Creator. Thanks and have a great day. Hello, good day. For this session, I'll be showing and teaching you on how we can set field level permissions for users here in Zoho Creator. So as you can see, this is my instance. For you to be in the same page, you need first to log in your Zoho Creator organization, and upon successfully signing in, select a solution that you will set the field level permission. So for this instance, I will be using this one. Let's start by clicking this or opening it. Then let's go to the this application. Then let's start by configuring or using the native configuration that Zoho Creator is having. So let's open a form builder or a form where we want to set the permission. So as you can see, we can select any fields here, and then let's say, for example, this name. For the customer form, we have here this visibility permission, so we can set this to be enabled or to be visible for everyone, and also for the admin. So as you can see, we didn't have the option to do this based on the roles that we have here in Zoho Creator, but that is not a problem, since we can do that basically by utilizing a workflow, specifically the workflow that will be triggered on load. So to do that, we can click done, and then let's go here to the workflow. So let's start by adding first a new workflow. Let's say this rule will be triggered for both creation and edit page. Then let's use this load of the form, so that upon loading of the form, the restriction or the permission will be set instantly. So let's use this. Then let's give it a name. Then create. So let's add a new action. So as you can see, we are here in the delete script, since we can only accomplish this through scripting, since we will be setting some criteria or condition. What are the roles only that will be it either restricted or allowed to insert some inputs or view these specific fields. So to do that, I have here some snippet. So let's just paste this one. So this is the actually the criteria that we will be setting. So we are verifying first if the rule satisfies this condition, or to rephrase, I have verified here if the permission of the current user is CEO. Once it is CEO, the input name or the name for the customer field will be disabled. But if not, but for us to in order to test this out, let's just reverse the condition like that one, so that we will be able to verify if this is actually working. So what happening here is that every one with a role of CEO, the input name for the customer form will be disabled. So let's just save this. Then let's go back to the customer. So as you can see, it's enabled. Take note that the user that we are currently logged in is using the CEO rule. So let's refresh this. So as you can see, it became disabled upon loading. So let's try adding other fields. Then save. Let's try refreshing it. So as you can see, the customer type is also disabled. We can also hide some fields using this approach. Let's say phone number, then save. So as you can see, the phone number has been hidden. So let's try putting other rule to the criteria. Let's say staff. So take note that we are not using the staff, so we are expecting that all these configuration will not load on these forms. So let's just update this and then refresh here. So as you can see, the permissions that we've restricted earlier has been restored since the criteria has been changed. So that's how we can do the permission level for the users here in Zoho Creator using the workflow and the delete scripting. So thank you and have a great day.